Okay, let's continue for loop. Let me just show you print function first. Normally, when we say 10, 20, 30, three values, if you print, okay, we separate with space. Okay, they separate with the comma. Then the default is a space. Okay, you can actually put keyword called separator equal to comma with one space. Okay, if you run it, here is the comma and then one additional space. Of course, you can use colon if you want. So we have one value, 10 colon, and one additional space. Okay. So it depends on what you need. Default is, of course, just space. Okay, that's the default. So whether you have separator as option or you don't have one, it does exactly same. So let me move on. Total equal to 0 for numbers in. We're going to use a list of numbers, -3, 0, 17, and then number 9. Okay, this is what we call it as a list. Okay, basically saying list of numbers. Then every time, sorry, there is a missing colon. If you make a mistake, like if you miss colon when you hit enter, okay, it goes to here. No indentations, means you miss some syntax here. Okay, so here you go. That means the syntax is correct. Total. I will say equal total, and then plus number. Okay. Okay, number. Okay, there should be number. Okay. So what we are trying to do is we take the number to this variable called number, and then we are adding it here. So at the beginning it's going to be 0 plus 2, then assigned to 2. Okay, then we move to next one, -3. That number become number 3. So 2 plus -3. Okay, then move on. So that's become number 1, and then there will be 0, and then 17, and then 9 continuously. Okay, so we have continue adding numbers to total. Okay, so if you hang on, forgot to print, let's print. So if you print it, that will be 25. Okay, so let me show you. The first time is 2. We are assigning. Okay, 0 plus 2, so total is become number 2. Second time -3. That is 2 plus -3, so it become number -1. Okay, and then next number is 0, -1 plus 0 is -1. The next one is 17, plus -1 become 16, and then plus 9, so that should be become 25. Okay, so that's why you end with a 25. Okay, so let me just repeat. This is a list. Normally we call it as a iterator. We can iterate the list, so one at a time, then until we reach to no items to process. Then we assign this calculation here, and then print it here. Okay, that's how you use another for loop for with iterator. That's it. Thank you.